Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Big Ideas by Bindu. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and like, share, comment my channel. So today's session is about multiplication, another concept of multiplications, and today's topic or the sutra name is Urdhva Tiragabhyam. Urdhva Tiragabhyam means in English we can call it as crisscross method of multiplication. Crisscross multiplication. So crisscross multiplication means generally in Vedic maths it's a supporting method, you all know that, and in the Vedic maths multiplication sums we are having little conditions, means the same method we can't apply for every set of multiplication, whereas in the crisscross multiplication we can solve any sort of sums without any conditions by following simple steps. We can do so easily. So before going into the deep of the concept, we should know how this crisscross multiplication is special. It is entitled totally the crowning gem of Vedic maths, means it's having that much speciality. And crisscross method means if you observe the crisscross, vertical horizontal multiplication algorithm. So how the steps will be and what method we have to follow, what steps we have to take, let us go into the video in detail. So first let us start with the multiplication of double into double, means double digit into double digit. 2 digit into 2 digit. To start this, we should know the steps. How many steps, into how many steps we can get the answer. So this is a 2 digit into 2 digit, no? So total how many digits are participating here? 4 digits are participating, and we can find the answer within 3 steps. So as I said, it is a 2 digit number, right? So these vertical dots indicates a double digit number, okay? 2 digits, no? So one vertical line of 2 dots is one number. So step 1, we have to multiply the ones place, okay? And step 2, we have to multiply crosswise and we have to write the sum of their products. And third step is multiplying the tens place. Let us apply these steps with the numbers. So here I am taking 24 into 36, okay? So this is the sum. In general multiplications, how will we do? We'll just multiply with the ones place again, the ones place digit with both the digits, again going into the tens place digit, multiplying and adding them. So simply 3 to 4 steps we used to follow in the normal traditional method, whereas in the crisscross method, though the procedure is near to it, but taking of that much space won't be there. See, I told we are going to solve this sum in 3 steps, right? So the first step is ones place multiplication. So here ones place digits, what are they? 6 and 4, no? So 6 fours are here, 6 fours are 24. Just write down 6 fours are 24. So now the second step. So many of us feel little difficulty in writing the middle step, whereas you have to multiply the crosswise and then we have to write the sum of the product. So let us do that. So here we have to multiply 6 twos are, it's 12, and 3 fours are it's 12. So these two products must be added and we have to write it 24. So now let us multiply. 2 threes are, I am writing here 6. So in the Vedic maths multiplication there is one more rule. As I told, how many digits are participating, that many digits we should show in the answer. So here 2 and 3. So total 2 digits are participating. 2 is a single digit number and 3 is a single digit number. So here 2 digits are participating. The answer should be in a double digit number. But here 6 is a single digit number. You may get a doubt, but 6 is a single digit number. What to do? So it's very simple. If you just keep 0 in the tens place, so now we can make it a double digit number with a single digit value. We won't consider it as a double digit number, only to just avoid the confusion and also little mistakes. We have to place a 0 in the tens place. So 606. Difference is 6 means if you write 6, sometimes there will be a chance of counting in a wrong way. So if you keep 0, everything will be gonna perfectly. So now the first part is completed, multiplication part is completed. In the double into double multiplication, after multiplying, what we used to do, we used to find the we used to add the products. Similarly here also we have to add the products, but in different way. Here we just we have to do the balancing the equation. Here it is in the equation form, we have to balance it. So balancing is nothing but it's a regrouping. Regrouping means when the double digit number comes, how we used to carry to the next place, similarly we are going to do it now. So here the ones place 4 will be remain same. Now what we have to do when we are carrying, we should add this number to the number, not to the digit. So 2 is added to 24. Don't add to the single digits like that. So 24 plus 2, it's 26. So now it's a 6 and now add 2 to the next number. So 6 plus 2, it's 8. No need to write off 0, but anyhow the 0 I told no, to avoid the confusion and all, we are writing. So this is the answer. Let us take one more example. So here let us take 30, 36 already completed, no? Let us take little bigger number. 64 into 84. Okay, the same steps we are going to apply. So now first step, multiply ones place digits. It is 4 into 4. So 4 fours are 16. It's done. So now next number 4 6 are 24 and 8 fours are 32. So 24 and 32. So this answer we have to write. As I told, this addition part or this calculation part, everything in the Vedic maths, we have to do it in our mind. For the understanding purpose, I am writing here, but while we are doing, while we practice, we have to do completely in our mind. We have to visualize the numbers in our mind. So next, 6 8s are 48. So first step is done. What we have to do, we need to balance this equation. So 6 here, so 56 plus 1, it is 57, 7 here, 5 to the 48. Okay, so 48 plus 5, how much it will be? So the answer is 53. Is it not easy? Okay, let us try one more number. (62) into 75. Now you also try along with me. Try to do the sum along with me by applying the same procedure. Okay. So 3 steps, 2 5s are 10. Next step, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 14, 44, 6 7s are 42. Come on, now balancing 0, 44 plus 1, it's 45, and again add 4 to the 42, it's 46. I think you'll feel now the multiplications so easily. You can do any kind of double into double multiplication without any confusion, and with the correct answers you can do it.